Hello friends, we are out here at 8006 Malone Road. Beautiful sunny day. Take a peek at our neighborhood, if you will. We're in this town of Milton, city of Milton, not quite in the city, just outside of it. 32570 is our zip code. Mobile home was built in 2006. Three bedrooms, 2 baths. Upon entry here, we have laundry utility room, so washer dryer hookups, that whole nine, and then opens up wide to this kitchen. We've got islands, we've got a peek through, pantry, tons of cabinet space, countertop space, overlooking our living room and breakfast area, eat-in dining, what have you. Got the Tiffany style pendant light. Built-ins and a fireplace. And lots of big, pretty windows. Master suite. This is a split floor plan. So here's our master bedroom. Lots of natural light as well. And the master bath starts here. So we've got this large garden tub and single vanity on this side with its own commode. And check out this walk-in closet. Takes you all the way to the other side. This partition where you have a walk-in shower, another commode, and vanity all its own. How about that? Got the wood look flooring as we set our split floor plan. So over here we have additional bedroom number 1, additional bedroom number 2, making for our 3 bedrooms, and full bath with shower tub combo, bowl sink, the best feature here is this home sits on 5.02 acres. So let's take a little stroll out. Property is fenced and cross-fenced. We've got a large outbuilding here with chicken coop, chicken run, 2 yard buildings here. All this included. Here's our backyard that's got its own gated area with another deck. And in the back there you see, continuing on the property, it's a 4 or 5 stall horse barn. Zone agricultural residential, so bring your horses, bring your chickens. Your neighbor has a horse. Very cool. Again, we are out here at 8006 Malone Road in Milton, 32570 on 5 acres. Come and claim it.